Hello everyone, welcome to Crafting with Barbara. So we are on our second haul. I'm so excited. I'm still waiting for a whole bunch, but I have not got here yet. But I am so excited. This video is not sponsored by them, but hopefully one will be soon. Let's get started. So of course, I had to get one of these again. Because like I said, I do real desserts and I do fake desserts. So I wanted one for the real ones and one for the fake ones. So I had to get another one of those. Then I wanted to like run the prices on each item to y'all. But for some reason, it's not letting me load every single item and see every single price. So I apologize for that, but I'm going to get that together. I got this little pet because like I said, I have 4 little dogs. I have one little one that she will not let me like cut her hairs right here and right here. And they're like long and they go in her eyes, make her eyes cry. So I thought maybe this might be able to help me a little bit. Let's see. It's cute. It's tiny. Look how tiny it is. See? So I think it would be perfect for her little face because I don't know if she's scared. I don't know what it is. She will not let me, and she needs it bad. She needs it really bad because her eyes cry because of the hair going there all the time. So it comes with a little bit of lip. I guess that's like oil. A little plug and a little brush. I love it. I've been looking for one of these. So I thought this was perfect and a perfect size. So I'm hoping that it works and she lets me use it. Okay. Sorry about that. Then I bought, I can't remember what this is. It doesn't say. So we're going to find out what it is. Okay. I see what it is, guys. Oh, goodness. This is going to be work. Okay. So, I bought I believe it's a 4-piece. If I'm not wrong, it's a 4-piece. I'm not sure. I can't remember. Well, anyways, remember what I told you guys. As you see, I love it. So, I have a space on my wall on this side where it needs help. Or it might look there too. Well, anyways. So, see, it comes in different pieces. So, that means I have to get some frames. And you put it together. And it's like, I know you guys probably seen it before. It's like a set. But, you see, you have to put it together yourself. You know what's crazy? My hubby said that. He said, probably something you have to frame yourself and put together yourself. And he was right. We're not going to tell him that, though. So, that's what this is. So, I can't wait to put this up because I think that's going to look pretty cool. And then I got these tiny little thin sticks I can use for crafts and different things. You can use these for, cake pops. Lollipops. Oh, these are perfect for lollipops. Oh, great. So I got a whole pack, and this, I'm pretty upset that I can't find over here to give you guys like the prices. Because some of this, I'm telling you, man, these prices are amazing. So this is a 100-piece. There's 100 little sticks in here. So I'm excited about that. And then I have, so I wanted to get this. They consider it artwork for nails. I don't do nails. My daughter does. But I didn't want that for this. I wanted it because I thought it was the cutest thing. Because they so tiny. And I thought it was the cutest thing to use for like when we do our fake bakes. Look, sorry about the ring. But look at the slices of, look at the apples. Oh my goodness. Look at the lemons. Like, it's so freaking cute. Kiwi, strawberry, limes, slice strawberries. Oh, they're so freaking passion fruit. Like, that is too cute. Too cute. I'm so upset that I can't. It's not, I don't know what's wrong. It's not letting me. Like see like what each thing was and stuff like that. Okay. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. I don't understand why it's not letting me like see. So anyways, let's keep going. All right, so then I got more of these because, and these are like brushes that you can use like to do your nail art or whatever you want. So these I will probably be using with crafts. But these right here, they're so tiny and so perfect. I think I'm going to be using these to do like towards my like makeup. You need always that perfect brush that gives you that perfect line. And of course, I had to get more. But this time I only got like a 3-pack. So it was like 79 cents, something like that. I don't know. I'm in love with those things. Okay. And then, so I got 2 of these. I got 2 of these because, like, I'm in love. And they're so tiny that they'll probably, like, go fast. Okay, and then I got there is 50 pieces in here of ice stones. They're supposed to look like ice. And there's 50 in here. I'm so upset that I cannot figure out how to get to my, to like tell you guys like what each thing costed me. If I can figure it out, I will put it in the bottom of this video. I promise. Okay, then I got this. I don't know if you guys, I don't know what you call these. I guess these are like those little lights that you put like in a vase or something. So you just undo them, I guess. They come out like you end up making like a. So what I wanted to do with this was, I have this, right? I wanted to put this in the inside here. I don't know how it's going to look. I just wanted to put something to go really pretty, like on top of the table there. maybe we can just do this for now just to show you guys. But you see, like, it goes in the vase. I'm going to fix it better than that. But I think that's pretty cool. And this thing only costed me, I think, it was like 89 cents. I'm not sure. I can't really remember. But, yeah. And then I got, okay, I don't know what this thing is called, but when I seen it, I was like, oh my God, I got to get it. So I love plants. I wasn't always into plants, but recently I started getting into plants because my friends always giving me plants and making them look so pretty. So they're like long and pretty. So, you know, sometimes you need to cut like your little edges or you don't want to mess your plant up and stuff like that. So I found this little finger cutter thingy. And I guess you just put it on your finger. And they have little finger gloves. Oh, that's so cute. Look at these. And I guess you put it on your finger. And you can cut. This cuts. You gotta be careful. And you can like cut real carefully the pieces you need off your plant without messing it up. So I like this. This is really cute. This is really cute. Just push these back in here if I don't lose any. And then put this. Oh, it has a little safety thing. It must have just popped off. So we'll put that on later. Wait, you don't get cut. Okay. And then I got these adorable flowers. I think these are the coolest to use for like a fake bag or use for something. Look how cute they are, and they're like all different flowers, all different sizes. And of course another one. I've been going crazy ordering those orange slices. Like, I love them. I love the way they are. And then I got a pack of mini nail art banana slices. Tell me that's not cute. Look at that. I can't wait to use these. That is so, so cool. And then I want to do like a makeup look with like desserts or something. And I thought these would also be cool for that. You could put like in different places just with like the other ones as well. And then I have something that I seen it and I was like, oh my God, because I love to take walks. And I don't know, sometimes you can't feel safe. But I don't know if I can show this, so I'm not going to show it. You guys can get an idea of what it is. But it's a key that you put on your keys and it opens as a little knife just in case you need it for something. So I thought this was so cool. I think I paid $1.99 for this. I can't really remember. I really can't. Okay, and then I have I never seen it 700. Never. So I want to try it out. So I didn't want to get nothing big. So I figured this would be a perfect little tube to start with just to try it out before ordering or getting something bigger. So that's everything. I'm excited. That's everything I got in this package. And when I tell you guys, I have maybe a couple more packages coming. I'm just waiting. Hopefully they will be here sometime today or tomorrow. And I will get those videos going. But that's everything I got on this haul. I'm excited. I'm excited to try my little clipping thing on the dog and stuff like that. And once I get these framed, once I get these framed, look how cool they are. And it's different ones in different sizes, and they go straight up like that. They all go like straight up. If you guys can see, I don't have my brace on today. Well, I did have it on, but I just took it off. It's raining. I'm in a lot of pain. So I'm doing an on and off thing, but you know, see, that's where I got my injection. I'm still a little swollen, but it's okay. I'll be all right. So I hope you guys enjoyed this haul, and hopefully one day I will be sponsored by them. It would be cool. So if you guys want to try it out, because when I tell you, they got some good stuff, good prices too. So I will be back with another haul, excuse me, once I receive everything, because like I said, I'm still waiting on a lot of things. So I will see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.